everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under hauls I have makeup, skincare, accessories and lot of videos. Each and every videos they are particularly segregated under different playlists. So if you are looking out for some particular video, directly head towards that playlist and just go and enjoy all the videos. Right now today what I am going to review is a product from Nykaa, that is Nykaa's own brand, Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss lip palette. It is this particular outer packaging. Now you all must be wondering that Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss, actually it's not a recent launch. They had launched this product maybe around 2 years back or something, even I'm not sure when they had launched. But let me tell you, this is going to be a limited edition pack. In this Sealed with a Kiss, they used to have 4 versions. Now they have just recently come up with the 5th version, but they have not given that particular version a separate name. They have just included in this particular range itself, that is Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss. The variant which I am going to review is All You Need. This is the name. Okay, it comes in this kind of black glossy finish cardboard with all around lips on the packaging. Okay, it's given over here the lips and all, you all can see, and over here they have given you the name. When you check over here there is the variant name. All You Need is the variant name, right? On this two sides, on the three sides there is nothing, and when you just turn the packaging, that is on the back side, they have given you each and every detail. I'll show you what they have written. I'll just tell you, it is Nykaa Sealed with a Kiss lip palette, All You Need, the variant name. This particular variant contains 13.5 grams, right? And the manufacturing is March 2021, and you can use this lip palette for February 24, that is almost for 3 years, not almost, total 3 years. The MRP of this product is 799 rupees. It is no testing, it is not tested on animal, and you know Nykaa is very reputed brand, so I don't think I have to tell you much about it. It is retailing for 799 rupees. And when I got this product from Nykaa, they were having some offer. I got one kajal, that is Eye Magic kajal or something free. I have already shown you this lip palette as well as the free kajal in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. You can go ahead and you can watch that video. In that I have shown you which kajal I got actually free with this palette. Right now I'll just read the earlier palettes from Nykaa so that you won't make any confusion, and it's like already the Nykaa app is open on my phone. The previous launch, I'm telling you, it was shade number 1 Girl Boss, shade number 2 Bold and Beautiful, shade number 2 Flower Child, shade number 3 Bear Crush, and shade number 4 Bold and Beautiful. I'm so sorry, Bold and Beautiful is the shade number 4, and in this they have not given you the shade number because it is a limited edition. They just say limited edition, but when you get the packaging, in that they tell you All You Need is the variant name. They have not given you the 5th number, they have not given it the 5th number and all. And when we talk about the Girl Boss, that previous launch palettes, I'll tell you how much it contained. It contained 9 grams and it used to retail 650 rupees, and this contains 13.5 grams and it is total for 799 rupees. So if you calculate 13.5 divide by 9, so it will give you around 1.5 grams in each lip palette. And as per my knowledge is there, like if we use daily also lipsticks and all, it is like rarely we can finish a lipstick. So definitely if you are a person, if you are an artist, or if you are a person who wants to be who wants all the like more options on the go, then definitely this lip palette is going to be useful for you. Now I'll tell you the inner packaging. I'll show you the inner packaging. The inner packaging comes like this. Y'all can see I have already swatched all the shades. It's like total 9 shades. I'll open the packaging and I'll show you so that you will have the idea. These are the 9 colors what you are going to get. Okay, and if you ask me, the top 3 shades are like little bit nude colors, and the bottom 6, that is 1, 2, 3. This top 3 are little bit on nude side, and this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are little bit darker shades. Of course, they never claim this is going to be a like kiss proof or something. They don't claim anything. They just say it is very silk and smooth, and look, you apply and it is very buttery on the lips. And I do agree to that point. It is very smooth on the lips. You don't feel like tugging or pulling while applying the lipsticks. If you have a lip brush, then well and good. Otherwise, you can apply it with your finger also. But when you are applying applying on your cupid's bow and all with the finger, it will be difficult for you. So what I do is I have this brush. I have already actually separately purchased this brush, and you can see I have already used it. Okay, this is from Bronzen. Again, I have shown this brush in that previous video, so if you have not, you will get the idea in that video. This is the lip brush what I am using with this particular palette. And of course, if you are an artist, then definitely you have to use the brush. You cannot dip your finger and you cannot apply the lipstick to any person. It is not hygienic, right? Now each and every detail I have told you, as well as the inquiry, the like every detail is given over here. It's like, just say store in a cool and dry place, because since it's a lip palette, you have to store. In any case, lipsticks you have to store in a cool and dry place. Now what I'll do is I have already done swatches. It will be with and without makeup. On your left it will be without makeup, on your right it will be with makeup, so you can see the swatches side by side. But let me tell you how I have done the swatches, because over here they have not given you any kind of numbers. So over here from top you can say 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9. It will be this way. So 1 2 3, then here 4 5 6, then here 7 8 9. It will be that way. So in my swatches I'll be giving you the shade number, that is shade number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so that you will be having an idea. Since this does not have the number, I have given, does not have the name as well as the number, I have given the number from my side. So now what I'll do is we'll just move towards the swatches. Yes, now you all have already seen the swatches and all. I think from the swatches you have all the details clearly, like you will get all the clear idea. Now the shade which I am having on my lips is the shade number 9, the last shade on the lip. It is there. Right, now there are few pros and cons which I would like to get into your notice. We'll first talk about the pros. It is like a lip palette. You have multiple options in such a tiny palette, so you can easily flip into your bag and you can carry this. This is the pro number 1. Pro number 2, 799 rupees during sale times and all, you definitely get on good price. Otherwise you get some free product also, and it is available exclusively on Nykaa as well as like on their stores as well as on online, right? Pro number 3, like the darker shades, they do tend to leave their tint on the lips. Like if you remove also with the lips like makeup remover, still they will leave a stain on your lips. So that is, according to me, it's a pro, right? And what else? And it's not tested on animal, and Nykaa is a reputed brand, so that all are the pro. Now let me tell you the cons. Con is like, if you are not careful, you tend to mix up the shades. Like if you are not carefully removing, of course that is with all the palettes. It can be an eyeshadow palette, it can be a lip palette, or it can be a blush palette as well. If you are not proper, if you are not taking good care, then the shades can be like, they can get mixed. Like you can like, it will mess up the palette. In short, that is the one con. Second con is what is the second con? You have to take care of this packaging because it is not very sturdy. Of course, as per the palette it is sturdy, but this is the plastic lid, and also you have to be little bit careful, otherwise it can get easily scratched up or something. Then you have to keep it in this kind of packaging, its own packaging, then you can take good care of it, right? And third, I don't think there are any other cons. Only the thing is you have to be very careful while using it. And yeah, you can see on my hand also, you can see swatches like stain, because while removing I got my hand stained. So yeah, basically I have covered each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me, definitely you can leave a comment in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll give you my Instagram handle over here, so you can definitely DM me over there. Also, if you have any other video suggestions or video requests, that also you can leave me in the comment or DM me. I'll be like happily try to help you and try to make the video as per your request or as per your suggestion. And yeah, that is all for today's video. If you feel anything missing or something, then please don't mind, because I am little bit not in mood of filming the video, but still I wanted to get this video immediately up on my channel, so that is why I am filming it. And if you feel that, then I'm extremely sorry for that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.